Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make British style chicken tikka masala. For this recipe, we need 200 grams of boneless chicken pieces, 1 cup of tomato puree, 1 medium onion finely chopped and slices of 1 green chili, 1 tablespoon of thick yogurt, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves and lemon slices for garnishing, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of shahi jeera or you can use plain cumin seeds also, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Now take a large pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and fry the onion and green chili on high flame. After 1 minute, add garlic paste, now add tomato puree and simmer it for 5 minutes on low heat. When the gravy becomes thick and starts to leave the excess oil, add 1 cup of water and turn off the heat. Take out the puree into a bowl . And now pour the gravy into a blender and blend it. After blending, take the same pan and add cumin seeds, add the chicken pieces with salt and turmeric powder, fry them until the chicken becomes white on both sides. Now add the blended gravy and 1 tablespoon of thick yogurt. Add the garam masala powder and mix well. Now simmer it for 10 minutes on low heat. After 10 minutes, add another half cup of water and half tablespoon of sugar and again simmer about 5 minutes until the gravy becomes thick. After another 5 minutes, add the coriander leaves. Mix it well and serve it with rice and 1 slice of lemon. Chicken tikka masala is ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more recipes.